Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to the Educator online classes. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. I'm your English teacher. My name is Miss Ikra Asghar. So student, as you can see, today we are going to do the unit number 8, the steaming kettle, workbook page number 48, exercise A and B. So everyone please take out your workbook and open the page number 48, exercise A and B. As you can see, we are going to do the workbook page number 48, exercise A. So everyone please take out your workbook and open the page number 48. And the name of the unit is the steaming kettle. So what we have to do in this page, student, we just read the poem. So everyone please sing with me. You can know this poem very well. The poem is Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So as you can see, we have read this poem. So now what we have to do, we just tick the correct answer in the following question. The first one is, who is speaking these 4 lines? ये 4 lines किसने speak की थी? The poet, a child, या you don't know? The poet. You just tick the first answer, that is the poet. Where are the stars? Stars जो थे वो कहाँ थे? Among the clouds, behind the moon, या in the sky? Yes, stars are in the sky. What do they look like to the speaker? जो poem ये speak कर रहा था, उसको stars कैसे लगे थे? A diamond, a ruby, या the moon? Yes, as you can see in the last line, like a diamond in the sky. What are the stars doing? Shining, hiding, या twinkling? So the stars are twinkling. Which feeling is expressed by the speaker in the lines given below? उसको कैसी फीलिंग्स हो रही थी स्टार्स को देखकर? Fear, wonder या laughter? उसको कैसी फीलिंग्स हो रही थी? Wonder means वो स्टार्स को देख के क्या हो रहा था? हैरान हो रहा था. So now students, before to start the workbook page number 48, exercise B, I just want to tell you something about the homophones. First, what are the homophones? The word homo means the same and phone means sound. It means those words that sounds are same but their spellings and meanings are different. As you can see in the picture, the first one is 8, means khana, and the second one is the digit, that is 8. In the second one you can see right, and the second one is also right, but the meaning is different. The first right means accurate या ठीक. The second right means to write on a paper, means लिखना. Now look on the third picture, that is C. C. Now concentrate on the sound C. C. Both the sounds are same, but there is a difference between their spellings and meanings. C means to watch, to see means देखना, and the second one C means समंदर. This is all about the homophones. So now student, we are going to do the workbook page number 48, exercise B. This exercise is also relevant to the homophones, which means same sound word. First read the question with me. The underlined words are incorrect, which means जो words उन्होंने underline किए हैं that are incorrect, which means wrong है. Give the correct same sound word for them. You just read the first underlined word and then find the same sound word. The first one is done for you. For example, first पे उन्होंने underline किया weather को. अगर हम इस weather की क्लास उर्दू में बात करें तो it means चाहिए, means want. The weather is very hot today. ये तो wrong हो गया because यहाँ पर weather की कौन सी spelling लिखी है student? That is WHETHER. Which one is wrong? So you just think about it and find the same sound word like WEATHER, which means मौसम. Now look on the second one student, the deer run fast. लेकिन यहाँ पे deer कौन सा उन्होंने लिखा है? That is प्यारे. DEAR मीन होता है प्यारे, बट हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड चाहिए था, हमें चाहिए था DEER विच मीन deer. DEER मीन हिरन, बिकॉज द deer run very fast. Now look on the third one बच्चों. Have you heard the tale of the hare and the tortoise? यहाँ पर वो कहते हैं, टेल की मीनिंग हमने यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ी है, TAIL मीन होता है दुम एंड HAIR मीन होता है हेयर, मीन योर हेयर मीन्स आपके बाल. लेकिन यहाँ पर जो हमें चाहिए था, हमें कौन सा लिखना चाहिए था, TALE जिसका मीन होता है कहानी एंड HARE मीन होता है खरगोश. क्लियर? नाउ लुक ऑन द फोर्थ वन, दैट इज आई मीट माई फ्रेंड इन द इवनिंग टू प्ले. लेकिन बच्चों अगर हम यहाँ पर मीट की देखें, स्पेलिंग क्या लिखी हुई है, MEAT, लेकिन इस मीट का तो मीन होता है गोश्त. तो यहाँ पे हमें कौन सी स्पेलिंग लिखनी चाहिए थी, MEET, मीट मीन्स मिलना. फिफ्थ वन इज आर टीम वॉन द मैच. यहाँ पर 1 to 8 लिखा है, विच वन इज रॉन्ग. सो हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा चाहिए था, WON. नाउ यू कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट 1 1 साउंड्स आर सेम, लेकिन इनके मीनिंग क्या है, डिफरेंट. एक 1 का मतलब होता है एक और 1 का मतलब होता है जीतना. नाउ लुक ऑन द सिक्स्थ वन, वी राइट विद अ पेन. राइट मीन तो एक्यूरेट होता है, तो यहाँ पे हमें कौन सा राइट चाहिए था, WRITE, राइट. वी राइट विद अ पेन, हम पेन से राइट डाउन करते हैं, मीन लिखते हैं. द सेवेंथ वन इज द कपबोर्ड इज मेड ऑफ स्टील. नाउ स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस स्टील, वेरी गुड, दिस स्टील मीन चोरी. लेकिन ये वाला तो वर्ड रॉन्ग हो गया, तो हमें कौन सा होमोफोन चाहिए था, STEEL, स्टील. अगर हम एक बार और इसको रीड आउट करें क्लास, अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स को आप लोग सब मेरे साथ रीड करें. वेदर वेदर, डेयर डेयर, टेल टेल, हेयर हेयर, मीट मीट, वन वन, right, right, steel, steel. When you concentrate on my pronunciation class, the sounds are similar, but where is the difference? The difference is between their spelling and meaning. Now student, here comes your homework. So what you have to do in the homework, do homework of page number 49, exercise D, and do worksheet activities 17, that is about the handwriting practice. This worksheet is already provided you in the hard copy. There is a note as well, student. Do your homework neatly and write with the proper formation. This is all about the workbook page number 48 exercise A and B and page number 49 exercise C. I think student your concepts are clear now about the homophones. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.